Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a demonstration of an Android debug attack which is being done by a tool called Ghost Framework tool. So basically what this tool does is it runs through the device or the Android device and it finds all the details of that particular device. So we are going to download the Ghost Framework tool from a URL that is being provided. So we get the clone, that is basically we put in the URL and we download or we get that tool and we run it. And once we are done with installing the tool, next what we have to do is we have to go to the directory, that particular directory we want, and install it. So after we do so, it shows the installation of the Ghost Frame network. So how we have to install is by using bash space install.sh. That's the command we need to use to install Ghost Framework. Now after we finish installing this particular Ghost Framework, we have to open the Ghost Framework to run it. So unless and until we run it, we would not be able to put in our Android device to find the necessary details that we want. So once we're done with that, now what we have to do? So this shows that we have installed Ghost Frame Network and we've entered the tool. Next, our next step should be that we have to go to the target phone. So which phone we want to kind of hack or which phone we want to kind of look into or get the details from. So we need to find a target phone which has an Android debug bridge. So to do so, we go to our browser and we find one of these available devices from a particular website which is called Shaden. So Shaden basically is an online website, is an Internet of Things which has like various such devices, and we take in the IP address of that particular device and put it into our Ghost Framework tool. So we basically connect the tool to that particular device using the IP port address, and we use an additional tag that is 5555 number. So that is basically you have to connect to the Android device by using the connect command. And we have to specify the port basically. Which port we want to listen to is what we have to specify here. Next step that we have to do is we have to type help to see the various commands. So once we do that, we get a list of various commands. As you can see, the managing commands, the stealing commands, the boot commands, etc. And then the next thing we have to do is we're trying to take a screenshot of that particular device so that we can see how the device looks. So it's taking a screenshot. So basically that's the entire description of these are all the commands that you can execute. The ones I have highlighted is the ones that you can execute. So the screenshot has basically been taken, it's getting derived from the device, so it's running. So now after it's done, so it's being saved to a particular root, that is root/jpeg. That's the location where we are storing the screenshot of that particular device. So here we have the screenshot of the device, of the Android device. Thank you.